Hello, my name is Zebulon Tolman. I'm a physician and chief editor at AMBOSS. We hope you're enjoying your summer using our high-yield summer crash course. I'm going to run you through one of our more difficult questions from this week. So here we have an experimental vignette. The investigator has isolated cells that have an elevated intracellular concentration of biphosphoglycerate mutase. Okay, what is most important here? Obviously then the enzyme. The highlight tool points it out for me. Let's say I don't know what these cells may be. That's where the attending tip can come into play. I see that this is an enzyme of the glycolytic pathway, which is present only in RBCs and a specific type of placental cell. So we're likely talking about RBCs, and what is most likely to be absent in them? Well, that's going to be alpha-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. Why? This is an enzyme of the TCA cycle. RBCs lack mitochondria. Mitochondria is where the TCA cycle takes place. Therefore, we're going to lack these enzymes. Thank you very much for listening. We hope you enjoy continuing to use our high-yield summer crash course.